Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Brussels sprouts. Okay, so first of all, you need like about 2 cups of Brussels sprouts. You want to go ahead and peel the outer leaves and chop them in half. Okay, like I've done so. Also, you'll need like about 6 to 7 strips of bacon. You'll want to chop that up, cook it in a pan, and then take some of the drippings out. Take the bacon out and then toss the Brussels sprouts into the same pan with a little bit of the bacon dripping still in there. When you start to see that green vibrancy color start to show, you want to put the bacon back in, and then half a cup of chopped green onions. You can use any kind of onions. I'm using red onions. I like the flavor. They tend to have a little bit of a spicy flavor for me, so I like it. When you see that the Brussels sprouts are getting that beautiful charred color like that, you want to go ahead and lower the temperature. Okay, put a lid on the pan and allow it to continue to cook. You don't want them to be mushy. You want them to still have like a little al dente bite to them, but you know, it's up to you. Also, if you don't want to use butter and bacon, you could use olive oil. Okay, it's however you want to make it. It's your recipe. This is just me sharing a recipe with you. So, add salt and pepper, and I think like about 5 more minutes with the lid, they will be done. Yes, that's simple. And bacon does make this dish delicious. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. Have a great day.